I'll do that.
Or there might be other people also who may not know how to use the Coinmarketcap. So I'll leave this tutorial there so that they can also watch it and know how to use it. So
Okay.
we have two these things. We have Coinmarketcap and we have another one called CoinGecko. So today I'll treat the Coinmarketcap with you. Then maybe
Okay.
tomorrow when we meet, if I get the chance to meet you tomorrow, we can look at the CoinGecko. Then from there, we can now go to the exchange and you see how you buy the token any token at all that you want to buy. So when it comes to CoinMarketCap, there are a lot of things that you can do with CoinMarketCap. You can use it to check for coin. You can use it to check the exchange that the coin is trading on. You can use it to know the total supply of the coin as well as the circulating supply of the coin. What I mean by total supply, what is the total number of quantities of a token that is being supplied by the creator. Then we talk about the circulating supply. We are talking about how much quantity of the token is currently circulating between holders. Okay, so these are the two different things you need to know about the circulating supply and then the total supply. Then we have one called the max supply. That is in the history of the that particular crypto. It cannot go beyond, they cannot mine beyond that particular supply. That is the maximum supply. So we'll be taking some coin and we will look at all these things. Now, when it comes to CoinMarketCap, we have the various menu at the top here. We have the cryptocurrency. This is where if you come here, you can categorize them by ranking, by recently added categories, spotlight, gainers and losers, global chart, historic snapshots, price estimations, and so on and so forth. Okay, but today we are just going to look at how you are going to, maybe you've seen a coin. So for instance, let's say you've seen Bitcoin somewhere and you want to buy Bitcoin, but you want to know more details about Bitcoin. So you come to CoinMarketCap, then you come and search for what? Bitcoin. Okay, so you come to the search bar here. For instance, let's say Bitcoin is not ranking number one, it's somewhere maybe 100 and something, and you can't scroll through. You just come to the search bar here, then you type BTC. Okay, so it will give you that token you are looking for. Then also is to click on it. Now, once you click on it here, you can see the current price per that particular token. So in this case, that is Bitcoin. So you can see this price. This is the current price per BTC, 43,942. So almost 44,000 per BTC, which means BTC has really moved today. So when you scroll down, you can see the website of Bitcoin. You can see the communities, that is Reddit. You have bitcointalk.org. If they have Telegram page, you see all those things here. This is the white paper. You can read the white paper. That is what details whatsoever they are doing. Okay, the project is all about. Now, when you scroll here, we have what we call the overview, where you can see the overview of the token in terms of the chart. That is the price movement. So far in a day, this is how Bitcoin has moved. Bitcoin moved from like 42K to, okay, so it even surpassed 44K. It went as much as 44.114K. Okay, before coming down to around 43K currently. So you can see that today Bitcoin was bullish. So you can even check the previous 7 days price movement, and you can see for the past 7 days now, Bitcoin has been bullish. Okay, has been not a bullish movement. You can check for 1 month. So 1 month, within the 1 month period, you can see Bitcoin has been ranging. Okay, has been moving between 44K and 38K there. You can check for the previous 3 months, for the past 1 year, and you can check for all time. So if you click all time, it will tell you where Bitcoin moved from the lowest price it has ever achieved right down to the highest price it has ever achieved. So that is one thing. Now, if you want to know the exchanges or where you can buy Bitcoin, you come to where they say market, you click on what? You click on that section called market. Now, once you click on that, it will bring you all the exchanges. So here you can see Bitcoin, you can get to buy it on Binance, you can get it on Coinbase, you can get it on FTS, you can get it on Huobi Global, you can get it on Kuchain, Bybit, Bitstamp, Bitfinex, Gate.io, Kraken, Bitflyer, Bitfinex, Bitstamp, a lot of them. Bitcoin is traded on all exchanges. That's one thing you have to know. That is in terms of Bitcoin. But then when we go to buy some other tokens, you will not see them on all exchanges. Some of the tokens are just on specific exchanges. Okay, so today we are dealing with how to find the tokens. You find a token, how you come and look for the details about the token, okay, and then also look out for the market or the exchange in which that particular token is being traded. Then you buy from that particular exchange. Okay, now after you've seen the exchange, first if the exchange on which that particular token is trading, if you don't have how will I put it, if you don't have account with them, you can click on, for instance, let's say you don't have account with Binance, but you want to buy Bitcoin on Binance, you click on Binance, it will bring you here, and then you click on their website here. But you can also choose another exchange as well. Okay, maybe you don't like Binance, you want Coinbase. To buy from Coinbase, you just click on Coinbase, and then you can register an account. All right, but for those that will be watching on YouTube, I'll leave a link in the description, so you don't need to hustle yourself. You can just click on that link, and then you just get a straight registration to either Huobi Global or Binance, two of the biggest exchanges in the world, and then you can purchase Bitcoin or any token that is available there from that exchange. Now let's get to another thing that I want to talk about. Okay, another thing I would like to talk about is the supply. So you go back to overview, then you scroll down a bit. So these are what the things people are. This is the chat session where people are talking about each and every crypto in the system. Okay, so if they say something about a crypto and it's a bearish comment, you will see bearish there. If it's a bullish comment, you can see bullish over there. Now, when we come down here where they say Btc Price Statistics, okay, so that is what I want us to look at. You can either scroll down and click on it, or you can just come to the historic data area over there, then you can look at it. But always come down here to this section, Btc Price Statistics. So here it gives you Bitcoin price, the actual price, then the price change within the last 24. So within the last 24 hours, there has been a change of $1,000. So that means if you bought BTC for $1,000, you make 2.52% on it. But then, like, this is the amount in terms of dollars that has been added to the previous price, which was like 42 point something K, okay, to it within the past 24 hours. Then you can also look at the last 24 hours low and the high. So this was the low of today, and this was the highest price Bitcoin went to what today. You can also look at the total trading volume, okay, the volume that was traded today. As you can see, that is about 31 billion dollars. That was what that was traded today on Bitcoin alone. That was the trading volume. You can see the market dominance, okay, 41%, and it is ranked number one on what Coinmarketcap. And you can also look at its market capitalization, which is this, and also the fully diluted market capitalization, which is also this. Click on show more. So over here, when you click on show more, you can see all-time high. So Bitcoin is all-time high is what is 68,000. So that tells you the highest price that Bitcoin has reached before, and its all-time low per coin market cap is $65.53, but it was lower than that. Okay, but as at the time CoinMarketCap listed it, this is the lowest price it achieved. Okay, now this is the maximum supply. 21 million BTC is the maximum supply. So that means that what this means is that you cannot have more than 21 million BTC in the entire lifetime of BTC. The maximum BTC that can be mined in the entire life of BTC is 21 million. And its total supply, currently the amount that has been supplied into the system is 18 million, almost 19 million. And its circulating supply, the amount that is circulating currently is the same 18.9 million. Okay. All right. So these are the main important things that you need to know about selecting a token. So now let's come to, so for instance, let's say we want to buy crypto.com or token CRO. So we'll come here and type CRO. Okay. Right now they've changed the name from crypto.com to Chronos chain. All right, so once you come, you click on this, you can see this is the price. And these guys are the official sponsors for the upcoming FIFA World Cup. All right. Now, with Chronos, it is being used on 3 different chains. Okay, we have the Ethereum contract address, we have the Cosmos, that is Atom contract address, and we have the Solana contract address. This is the most important thing you need to understand. Now, if you are using Trust Wallet and you don't have CRO on Trust Wallet, then you need to add it by default. If you are going to buy the Ethereum version, you copy the Ethereum contract address, you go to your Trust Wallet, and then you add it by custom addition. Okay, you do what? You add it by custom addition. I will show that in another video, how you add custom tokens. But then I have videos on my YouTube channel that shows how you can add custom tokens to your Trust Wallet. So you can do well and watch it from there as well. No problem. So here, for instance, if I want to, I will add the Solana chain. Why? Because of gas fee. Gas fees are transaction fees. Okay, with Solana, the gas fee is less than if you compare to what? Ethereum. But if your wallet has the Cosmo chain, you can add Cosmo also onto your wallet, and then when you buy this particular token, you can transfer it to your Trust Wallet based on the network that you added to your Trust Wallet. If it is Solana, you send the Solana version. If it is Atom, you send the Atom version. If it is Ethereum, you send the Ethereum version of it. Now, if we come to the market, let's say, so as you can see, I posted this thing on my status yesterday when the price was around 0.43. Now, today it went as high as what? 0.4498, almost 0.45. You get it? So you can see that it did almost like 4% increment. So those who bought yesterday at this point when I posted it on my status and on my Telegram page, by now at least have gotten some profit in addition to what they bought yesterday. All right. Now we want to know where we can get this token to buy. So we go to marketplace. So you can see the exchanges: Coinbase, Kuchain, Huobi Global. So as I was telling you, Binance, this particular token is not listed on Binance. Okay, it's listed on other exchanges, but then it's not listed on Binance. So you can either buy from Gate.io, Kuchain, or Huobi Global. So I use Kuchain, I use Gate.io, I use Huobi Global also. But as a beginner, you can register with Huobi Global. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. You can buy from them and then you transfer it to your wallet, or you can choose to hold it on the exchange. That is all up to you. All right. So once we see this, all that we need to, so for example, let's say we want to buy from Huobi Global, we will click on the pairs here, CROUSDT. So as you can see, once you click there, it brings you to the Huobi platform, trading platform. All you need to do is to log in into your account, and then you can now buy your CRO using USDT. All right. Let's go back. But now we want to also know few things about the Chronos. So you can go, if you want to know much, you can just click on their website over there and it will bring it to their website where you can read everything about them. Okay, you can read everything about them. Okay, all right. You can also join their community pages. They have Medium, they have Twitter, they have Reddit. You can join any of their community pages, and you can also chat them or join their Telegram and Discord as well. Then this is their white paper. You can download it and then you can read. So CRO, if you want to invest in CRO, you can read more about them and know what the project is all about. So we can go back to the overview like this, and then we can come and check the total supply. I mean, the most important thing I check are these things: the supply, the maximum, the total, and the circulating supply. So as you can see, this is the circulating supply, the total supply, and the maximum what supply. Now this coin, its all-time high was what? Approximately $1. Let me put it like that. And its all-time low was what? 0.01 approximately. So if you take this particular pair, it has done a total of what? 3,809% since its launch. Okay, so that is how you determine all these things. We have other things that I'll talk about Coinmarketcap, but I can't do all of them in this video and this session. Okay, so what I'll do is in other videos I'll talk about the other stuff, but today I'm just going to talk about this few things that I've spoken about right now. So I'll leave links to each and every site that I've talked about. Coinmarketcap, there is something we call the diamond. I'll speak about it and I'll teach you how you can use it to get more NFTs, free NFTs using the diamonds that you collect. I'll teach you what to do. Okay, all right. So let me see.